Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, January 20th. It's MLK Day. I actually have a day off of school, which is so nice. This is the only day of the term I have that. Today, I wanted to bring you guys along because we have a little project to get started on. You guys know that I'm really into organization, love to have our apartment stay nice, but as much as you have a place for everything, there's literally no way to control. At some point, it's inevitable. Stuff is gonna pile up and something is gonna get disorganized. That's what happened with this little situation. Let me show you guys what we're organizing today. We are finally tackling the pantry. Let me just show you a little before so you can really understand why this is such an issue. This is our pantry. It's a really nice space. However, we've really accumulated a lot of stuff that needs to be gone through, and it's no longer a space that's inspiring to walk into and be like, oh, I'm gonna cook this. It's just kind of like a hodgepodge of mess. Oh, someone's FaceTiming me. It might be Katie. Oh, it's T1.
Okay, so I'm freaking out because apparently we have a physics exam in a week.
Yeah, we do.
And I feel like I need to meet with the tutor like crazy this week.
Yeah, I'm down. That was the roomie. She's traveling back from nationals right now, so this will be a super nice surprise if I can get this all cleaned up for her. Like, these bins are from the Container Store. I really love these. They hold all of our snacks really well. And then I got a bunch of these bins to hold powdered sugar and things like that. I went onto Amazon and I ordered a bunch of these labels that I think are pretty cute, kind of Pinterest mom vibes. They were only $6 and I thought that'd be kind of a fun way to label things. My goal right now is to go to Home Goods and try to get some more bins to hold stuff because things in here have gotten crazy and all these things could be put in bins. I'm thinking that's the direction we are headed. I'm gonna take a picture of this right now so I can start getting some inspo, and then I'm also gonna measure these shelves because, as you can see, I also ordered some other bins, but now that they've arrived, they look very small because I was feeling lazy and I didn't properly measure this. In the words of my father, we're going to do this right, and we're gonna get the measuring tape out. This pantry is 28 and a half, 16 deep. Now we have our dimensions. I'm gonna be on the lookout for some more bins just to see if it would be so nice if we could fit 3 across. For example, on this shelf right here, totally could use 3 across. Let's get this party started. That was the weirdest timing. I was coming to you. Katie and I just took out the trash. She's accompanying me on my adventures. We're gonna get all of those little poppy bin things that I love to organize all of them. I don't know what they're called. It's like xoxo. I think that's the brand. I don't know. We'll find out when we get there. I'm really hoping we find some, otherwise I'm gonna have to pay full price and I'm gonna be really sad about it. But they always have them at Home Goods. Knock on wood. The good news is we found what we wanted. I think I'm gonna get this one. It's perfect. Katie got the big one for the pancakes. We found exactly what we wanted. In, out, little spree. We're on to stop to Target. We didn't find bins to go across. I knew that was gonna be kind of a tricky situation. Home Goods is popping. All the moms are up in here.
Because it's a holiday, so they're all like, oh, it's like
Home
bar
Goods!
this morning. It's like all the moms are in bar this morning.
We've arrived to the Target. Katie said this is her favorite Target. I said Wilsonville Target is my favorite. And I hate Washington Square Target, if you guys know what we're talking about from the Oregon area.
Never go to Clackamas Target, that's all I know.
Oh, I've been there once. I did not like it.
This one's still the OG layout.
Oh yeah. We may have found some potential bins. It's time to measure these. Wait, bring 3 of them over. Oh, I forgot to measure how high. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna make it. Too long. Oh, these are interesting.
They're not super deep.
Yeah, they're kind of interesting. Oh my god. I think these fit. So we have 3 inches, which isn't bad. And then I still think they're a good size.
I think that those 2 would be fine across the top. Because they'd be wide enough because of the 2 of them.
Oh no. Wait, 28. Let me look at my, is there 26 or 28?
Our pantry is this wide.
I think you're right.
I love that we have the exact same apartment, so we can
really know what
even though we don't live together, we can still
oh my god, it's 28.5 and this is 28.
Okay, that's perfect.
Oh, cool.
You have to get them.
This is so exciting. Those are cute, and I would use those again.
Those are really cute, yeah.
You know,
you can use them in your closet at some point.
If I ever wanted to reuse those.
Well, I kind of need one for my closet.
I'm so excited. Wait, I'm gonna look to see if they have coupons.
These are cute.
I know. I almost bought one of those the other day.
They're so cute.
But I was like, I have no purpose. This is so fun because all the companies are like coming out with new stuff. Anthro yesterday, all new stuff.
Really?
Yeah, like all new dishware lines.
See, what is this? What is this? I like it, but I don't know what it is. Is it a fruit bowl?
Maybe.
Is it a...
Or it's like a thing that you put on your coffee table.
Oh, and you put things in it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that makes way more sense.
This is our haul. I'm gonna return those bins that are obviously way too small. I'm gonna take one last peek at this before I whip all of this stuff out. We're gonna organize it. This is the full view. The trash can is also coming out so we can just throw away as we begin. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna need some music actually.
We met on a summer day in June. Said you were headed on your way to Malibu. You'd never been, but you always wanted to. You moved out from the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do.
I'm here to give you guys a little update on my progress. It's been about 25 minutes. I've cleared everything out pretty much. This is what it looks like now. So these shelves are all emptied, and then the only things I have in here are the things already in bins. Threw stuff away, recycling, and then all of this, although it looks like disorganized, it's actually organized. I have all of my chocolate stuff here, a rice pile there, baking goods. This bin is already pretty organized, full of snacks. That's our other snack bin. This is pasta stuff, soups, nuts and granola bars, and then these things are other items that might go in some of the organizational things that I bought. We have drinks over there, some stuff I'm gonna give away, and all of our sauces down here. That is the full overview. It looks way better. Also, for those of you wondering, this is our air conditioning system. This is just the easiest place for us to store it during the winter time when we're not using it. This is a godsend in the summertime and in the springtime, so this will definitely be exiting our pantry eventually, but for now, these are the shelves that we will be storing food on. Right now, I'm going to unbox these things and start filling them up with goods, and then I'm gonna go through with my labels, label everything so it's really easy to read, and then I can start finding homes for things and putting it all away in a manner that makes sense. Honestly, I thought that this project was going to take hours and hours and hours and be like this overwhelming thing, and I pushed it off for so long, and now that I'm doing it, I'm like, I feel like I've reached the halfway point, like everything's out. If you too have a place in your house that's feeling extra disorganized, it's causing you a little bit of stress, honestly, I highly recommend just tackling it. It is way better to get started on the task, and all of a sudden you'll be halfway done and you'll ask yourself why you waited so long. I love when everything has a home. That to me is the best way to be able to keep things clean and have it last. I want to organize my pantry once and I don't want to have to do it again.
If you play your cards right, I might be a tour guide in a city. I might be, we might be riding around on a Segway. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide.
Time for an update. The place looks way cleaner. There's minimal things left on the ground to be put back in the pantry. Woo, little sneak peek. I'm obviously not done yet. The hard thing is you see those beautiful, perfect Pinterest pictures. I'm gonna insert one right here. And you really think that that is the reality, that your pantry can look like that, but it's really hard when you have a bunch of sauces and stuff that's all mixed matched. And I mean, it's definitely not perfect, and I wasn't trying to get it to be 100% perfection, but obviously this stuff looks really nice. I haven't put the stickers on yet, and basically what I'm realizing is that I need another one of these bins and maybe a couple more, because all of this is such wasted space. So my goal is to take some of the ingredients, like this is pancake mix, it's not like we use it a ton, and put it in the back, and so that we can have 2 layers. So if I can do something like that, and then take this stuff that looks nice and bring it forward, and then have like the bigger ones in the back, that would be ideal. We're gonna see what we can do. I might have to make another pit stop. I basically need another bin for the granola, and it would also be nice to be able to put all of this instant oatmeal packets in a bin. This is also some baking stuff that I need to find a place for because it gets lost. Originally we kept all of this in our candy cookie chocolate drawer, but it just would get lost, and all of it is stuff, like little stuff and spices. And we have a spice drawer that, okay, this is also a little disorganized, is also doubles for all of our hand towels and oven mitts, but I'm thinking that this drawer needs to just be spices and baking stuff, because then if I move all of these towels to some other location, which I don't even think, yeah, there's nothing in this drawer, so technically I could move some of this stuff down. If I do some rearranging, I think we can make it work to find a home for this stuff. Right now, I'm going to really quickly put all of these stickers. I tagged them all so that I wouldn't have to spend hours finding the ones that I wanted to use. And I'm gonna put those on all of the plastic cartons, and I might even get a little crafty and label some of the other bottom cartons. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna do some labeling, and then we might have to go run some more errands.
I go start the coffee Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain.
All right, all the stickers are on, and I just had another little snack. I don't know why I'm so hungry today. I've been eating a ton. I'm gonna take out the recycling and the trash right now, and then go to Home Goods, grab our final bin, and then get ready for the reveal. It's gonna be exciting. So I just got back from the store. These are the 3 new bins that I got. I'm doing one final project that may or may not be a little bit extra. However, I think it's the finishing touch that we need. I have a label for 2 of the bins. One of them says chips and one of them says snacks. And we're gonna figure out how to attach them to the bin so we can use the labels.
I'm just gonna sit over here with my massager and my recipe book.
My recipe book. Snacks. Chips. I'm having a proud moment.
Oh my god.
Since I just literally solved all of our pantry issues because I just installed the light. Are you guys ready for the official pantry tour? I think they're ready.
With you, okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight. You know all the ways I like it.
On the top we have these 2 bins from Target that Katie found. They fit literally so perfectly. We have a bunch of our extra stuff to refill some of the things on our shelves, or things that we don't access a lot. We can just store up there, and the bins come down really easily. I'm also gonna try to link as many of the things that I got, like all of these labels and the bins, in the description box. So if you wanna check them out, hopefully you can find them on there. On this shelf we have quinoa, rolled oats, flour, sugar, chia seeds, and coconut. Down here we have all of our canned goods, as well as some soup, pasta sauce, things like that. And then this is the set that I actually got today at Home Goods. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that came in a group, and yeah, I just have basmati rice, penne, spaghetti, granola bars, brown sugar, oatmeal, and then behind here we have granola and pancake mix. And then in the very corner, I have powdered sugar, but we don't really use that a ton. This is my snack bin. This has been organized for a while. I just have a bunch of go-go squeezes, popcorn, fruit snacks. Yeah, I know, this is like when I want to feel like a 6-year-old. Tomato soup here, mac and cheese. We have coconut milk, almond milk, things like that. And then this is our huge snack bin with our crackers, chips, dried apples. These are the bins that I got at Target. They fit perfectly here, and it was nice to have 3 cohesive bins go along the bottom. This one holds all of my rice and grain products. This is our nuts bin, so we have a bunch of trail mix things right here that you can just grab and go. A bunch of other little nut packs, almonds, edamame, granola bars. And then this is our sweets bin. So we've got our truffles here. Taylor and I just have a bunch of candy that we got from Christmas that we're still eating through. We have chocolate for when we make fondue for bachelor nights. All of that goes in there, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the complete tour of our pantry. My most exciting feature is this light. Our pantry was super, super dark before, and you could never see anything. I think my dad got this at Home Depot. Comment down below if you had an extra day in your life, what would you organize in your house? Today was the pantry. I think next step, I would love to go through our kitchen more and like really put things away. If you want more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure your post notifications are on, because I've been posting at random days. I post once a week, but yeah, there are random days, so turn on your post notifications so you know when I post. I'll see you later.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night